Hello guys, if you wanna perform the backwards hurdle in Madden 27, you can practice it using training camp. From the main menu, go to training camp, then select skill trainer and choose the Philadelphia Eagles as your team. You'll need to use Saquon Barkley because I think he's the only player who can perform this special hurdle. Once you load in, open the hurdle tutorial under offense. First, complete the regular hurdle drill 3 times by pressing Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. After that, the defender will appear and you can start practicing the backwards hurdle. To get the move to register, make sure you are running at full sprint and have the defender approach you from around a 45-degree angle. Then right before the defender makes contact, press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. The backwards hurdle can be pretty inconsistent, so don't worry if it doesn't work right away. You might get it on your first attempt or you may need to try 10 or 20 times. Just keep practicing and focus on your sprint speed, the defender's angle and pressing the button at the right moment. And that's how you can perform the backwards hurdle in Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.